So I'm gonna take you guys with me and we're gonna check this apartment out.
Oh yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, oh she mine. She's so damn fine. I just wanna call
Hi
her.
guys, me again. Welcome back to my channel. You that don't know, my name is Jessie and I'm a former international student who studied in London, Ontario at Fanshawe College. I basically make videos about my experiences as a former international student at Fanshawe College and just basically transitioning into work life in London, Ontario. So guys, basically one of my frequently asked questions is how do you go about actually finding accommodation when you move to London, Ontario, whether you come in here to study, work, so forth. So what I'm basically going to do in this video is I'm going to do like a little apartment tour. I'll just be showing you guys around. I'll be giving you details about everything that you need to know about renting in London, Ontario. So guys, we are at a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in downtown London, Ontario. This is actually a well-located apartment, very huge. Different types of people living in this apartment. You have families, you have singles, you have students, so it's very diverse in that sense. It is just a bus ride from Western University and Fanshawe College. As I did say, it is well located. You have quite a few entertainment areas around the corner. As I said, it's downtown, so obviously you can take a bus ride and you'll be on Richmond where you have all the pubs, restaurants, so forth. So I'm gonna take you guys with me and we're gonna check this apartment out. Okay, so guys, first off we have the additional spare room. It's a bit smaller compared to the other room. As I mentioned, 2 bedrooms, so this is the smaller room. So it can be used as an office space. It can be used as, so if you're 2 students or more sharing, someone can be located in this room. Also, if you are a family, mom and dad, single parent with kids, this can be their room. It's a bit smaller in space, also very comfortable. There's a nice view here, overlooking parts of, the area. In this room, there is one closet. It's pretty big, so you can fit all your stuff in here. Very comfortable, wooden floors. I think it's a vibe in here, not even gonna lie to you. I'm gonna take you guys to the master bedroom. This bedroom is way bigger, okay? It's got a very nice vibe, wooden floors, also with the window overlooking parts of this area. So this bedroom is basically ideal for couples. If you're going to be living here and sharing with a roommate, this can be your room. Yes, it would be very ideal. Yeah, as you can see, there's a beautiful view. You can actually do a lot with this room. You can have your bed, you can have a bit of an office space, and then it comes with a very nice closet area. You know the vibes, a nice closet area. You got space for your shoes, so forth. So this is the main bedroom, guys. The main bedroom. Main bedroom. Okay. So with this main bedroom, which is the biggest in this apartment unit, you have a bathroom. So the thing is that there's one bathroom in this apartment, and I guess the bigger room will have access to this bathroom. As you guys can see, this bathroom is really spacious. You have your mirror, you have a lot of space for your things, quite a bit of closet space. I actually like this. This bathroom is more my vibe. This is my vibe, the mirror, everything. And then I got my room right here if this were my place. Just a little recap. We checked out the second spare bedroom. We checked out the main bedroom and the connected washroom / bathroom. We have a little random door here. So guys, this is, as you can see, this is also like a renovated new apartment. So that's why it's empty. Okay, so guys, I'm showing you guys this apartment just for like idea purposes. So as you can see, if you did have to kind of like secure this apartment, it would be not unfurnished, meaning you would actually have to like buy furniture to basically get this place up and running. We all know how important it is to be living in like a nice, comfortable, furnished space. So let me know in the comments, guys, if you want ideas of where to go get like, you know, furniture, decorations, so forth. And I might just drop a video on that. The thing is though that when I show you the place, you'll see that there is no fridge and dishwasher. The place is currently under construction, so those are add-ons free of charge that come with the accommodation. So let me just continue showing you the space. We have this hall space. This is just basically the main space of the apartment. You can basically have your living room area over here. You can have your dining room area over here. It really just depends on you. It is quite a big space. So now I'm going to show you guys the kitchen area, which is located, you know, more or less near the open space area where you can have your living room area and lounging area. So guys, with the kitchen, it's very, very cute. Okay, quite spacious. You have your oven and your stove. And now that I did mention that this apartment is still under renovation, so if you did have to like basically get your lease confirmed, it would be coming with a fridge and a dishwasher, obviously free of charge. It comes with accommodation. And next to the kitchen, guys, we have this, you know, just free space. You can basically, this is basically a walk-in closet here. You can hang all your coats. You can put some extra shoes here or whatever annoying extra items you might have. It can come right here. And then you have the door, okay? And you just have the door. That's just a bit of, just a little bit of background about the amenities included in this apartment. This apartment actually includes a gym. It includes a games room, a sitting room, as well as laundry, which is underground. This apartment also has parking, so it's got two different parkings. You have underground, and then you just have like on-ground parking. Underground parking being $65, and then normal parking being $45. So those are a few things that are included within the amenities. Laundry, everything else is free, the gym, so forth. And so guys, with this accommodation, it is going for roughly 1,500 Canadian dollars. It is inclusive of water and heat. You do, however, have to pay for your laundry, parking, and hydro. But yeah, an apartment like this, 2-bedroom, downtown London, Ontario, typically $1,500, as I did mention. What is actually required to secure this apartment or accommodation like this? This is not like the standard, like it could differ from place to place. Some places might need you to actually have a guarantor and additional crazy documents. Specifically, to secure an apartment like this, you would need your first and last month's rent, employment information, background check, and bank statements. You could need more or less documents. It just depends. That's just a rough idea of what you would need to basically secure such accommodation. So for this place, the lease is 1 year. It's not really negotiable unless it is negotiable. Negotiable. Guys, with this lease, as I mentioned, 1 year unless there's someone is subletting it to you, then it could be shorter. In terms of notice period, if you are looking to leave, then you have to give a 3-month notice period. However, after the 1 year lease, then you're paying month by month on a monthly basis. And then if you kind of do want to like leave, check out, whatever, then you'd have to give a 1 month notice. That's just a bit about the guys. That pretty much wraps up this apartment tour. Oh my gosh, it was so much fun. I like this apartment. I love this apartment. If I could get it for myself. Anyway, guys, if you have any questions, drop it in the comments box. I'm gonna try get out more accommodation, living spaces, videos out there in the next few weeks. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, follow me on social media, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!